So we're here at Omanawa Falls car park, guys, and it's a very hilly journey that was. All these places seem to have really good toilet facilities, so when you do come to New Zealand you'll find that you don't really need to stress about that. There'll be toilets wherever you go, pretty much. At least at most of the obvious tourist spots. Even on some of the more remote tracks they have toilets. It's weird, but those will be drop toilets, obviously, so no flushing loo or anything like that, but it's somewhere to do your business, so it's better than nothing, eh? Anyway, we're gonna go through this very nicely carved gate and see if we can find the waterfall. So we're descending into the woods now. So, oh, look at this. That's cool. A figure holding a tifa. So weapons used to indicate a change in direction and strategy in battle. Here it shows us the way to turn.
Interesting.
So it's pointing us that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a cuckoo. Maybe that's what I was hearing the other day in Long Bay. Not the owl, but the cuckoo. No, it's still there. They're basically like little sparrows, but with tails like this, like a fan. Hence the name Fantail. It's put on a show. Shows your fan. Looks like it comes down pretty quick. I think they've put all those rocks in there to protect the path. Just been going down and down and down, guys. I think we're going into the valley where the water is. References a karakia to empower spears to be strong and reliable in battle. Power station. Okay, so it looks like we reached some sort of lookout.
First hydropower station in the entire southern hemisphere.
Wow. And it was built in when? 1865? Oh, it was first used in 1915 to light the street lights in Tauranga. Cool. Oh, there it is. Wow. That's pretty stunning. Bless you.
How pretty.
If I remember rightly, this is the one that you used to be able to walk to, but you can't anymore because they've closed it all off. This used to be the pathway here. That water looks so clear.
Yeah.
Screaming, swim in me, swim in me. But alas, can no longer do that. Got to respect the local culture, and it's now being protected. What a beautiful waterfall though.
Yeah, that is very pretty.
You could just sit underneath it at the back there and chill. Wow, it does. We are walking to the next viewing point. We're not going to do the furthest one because it's 25 minutes there, which means this whole thing would be like an hour. And we've got to go and see McLaren Falls after this, so we're just going to do the shorter of the walks and see if we can get a better view. Here we go, this looks like the view. Oh my god. That's a little scary, not gonna lie. But what a view. The river continues on that way. comes out of the forest just there. That's gorgeous. Well, that was definitely a more impressive waterfall than yesterday's waterfall. If you haven't seen the last episode, we walked from Waihi Beach to Orakawa Bay, which is a pristine white sand bay. There was no one on it, it was just nature. And the further walk was to William Wright Falls, which was a tiny little waterfall. And it was really hard to get there, but it's worth watching just for the adventure of us going through the bush, you know. But yeah, so if you haven't watched that, check that out after this one. But now we are going to another waterfall. Spoilt with waterfalls today. We are going to McLaren Falls, so we will see you when we get there. Wish us luck. It's going to be a windy journey, I think. Just parked up. There's our van over there at McLaren Falls car park, and we're going to see if we can walk down and find it. It should be down here somewhere. Iga's got her nice fisherman's hat on. I can hear it. I can't see it. Looks like you can swim there, so I might dip my feet. Didn't realise there was a car park down here. It's kind of annoying. It wasn't on the map. Never mind. Whoa, look at it. There's a whole swimming area. Okay guys, so we're walking back up to the van because we're going to move the van down to the car park down there, and it's right next to the falls, and there's like swimming holes and everything, so we're going to put some trunks on and potentially go for a dip. So yeah, right, we parked up in a new location and we're going to go for a swim. I haven't got the mic with me, guys, because I didn't want to get it wet, so hopefully it sounds alright. Oh. Wow, look at this. This is just on the side of the street, guys. You can just pull over up there and then walk down and have a swim. Wow. So there's the swimming hole. And this over here. Look at that. Oh, this is the waterfall. Kind of cascading in all sorts of different places. I guess when there's a lot of rain this is a lot more rapid, but it's pretty dry at the moment, so not much of a flow. Oh, look at that. Going to make my way down a bit further, see what else there is. I mean, this is, oh wow, that's beautiful. I've got to try and get back up now. Which way did I go? This way. Amazing. McLaren Falls. You can just pull up and have a swim. You good up there? Should be enough steps. Steppy bits. Wow. This is amazing. You don't get stuff like this in the UK, really. I mean, you have to really look for it, but this is just right on the side of the road. And it's not ram-packed with people. I mean, it isn't the summer holidays, so that probably is a contributing factor, but here we are. Empty. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a tiny eel swimming there. Baby eel. Right, I'm going in, wish me luck.
You got this. Getting in spot just here.
Is there? Just there?
Yeah, yeah. You might have to move that way.
It's alright, I'll walk around here, don't worry.
Yeah, 100%. Just jump in.
Alright. Jesus, that is fresh.
Let me see you.
Oh, I can't see. We stayed at McLaren Falls for another hour or so, just relaxing, swimming and taking it all in. The water was cool and the air warm. It was a beautiful evening. We got chatting to a few others and it was a really friendly atmosphere. I feel like a seal. Beached whale. I'm going to record you, go on. We wish we'd had more time here, but alas, we had to move on as we needed to get to Mount Maunganui before sundown. It turns out that McLaren Falls is fed by a dam that they release every so often to empty a lake upstream, and that's the reason it was running so dry. Well, that was that, guys. Nice refreshing dip. Now we've got to dry off and head to Tauranga, Mount Maunganui, where we're going to stay a couple of nights. Local lads were trying to peer pressure me into jumping off an 8-metre cliffside into the plunge pool. I was like, yeah, I think I'm a bit too old for that. Don't want to break my neck right at the beginning of the trip. Well, that's it for us today, guys. We are here in Mount Maunganui. We've got all set up. We're about to have dinner and some more wine. We've had a great day today at Hobbiton and visiting the two waterfalls. McLaren Falls was a particular highlight because we didn't realise we were going to be able to swim there, so that was great fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed joining us on the journey. Tomorrow, I should say next episode because it's not tomorrow for you. Next episode we'll be climbing up the mount and hopefully doing a bit of surfing, exploring the beach and exploring a bit of the town. So yeah, stick around for that. That will be in a week from now, from this going up. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.